everybody, welcome. Continuing in our scrap wood series. In the last video you saw I made this ring. It's all ready to go on. Nice, I still got to sand this end, but it's all ready, but we have to make the mold for it to go onto. So I looked through my drawer there, I found this old base. It's got a little crack in it. It must have been a bowl that I made that, whatever, didn't survive. So, but this will make a perfect base for the bowl. It's got a little crack. I'll sand that out, put some CA glue in there. I still have some of these floorboards, the ones I have left over from when I cut it, and I have a couple little pieces. I think I'll make a nice ring to go right above here, like a transition ring. Then I have all these, I'm considering them scrap wood. They're actually they're reclaimed spacers from material shipments. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and make the bowl for that segmented ring. I hope you stick around. I think the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and clean this up, flatten it out, get a nice flat surface so I can start putting my my segments on there. Let's clean up this board to make our first ring.
So you just saw me cut this up. It looks a little lighter. Looks like a little different kind of wood in here. For that ring, I'm probably going to need about almost 28 inches. So the old stock I have 19, 20, 26 inches, not even. So I'm going to need a little bit of this. I don't know if hopefully it'll be close enough. What I can do is just throw a little bit of finish on the end here. Now it's definitely darker. This one, the old one, is darker. But I think it'll be okay. I mean, I'm only going to need like 1 or 2 segments out of that. So we're going to go ahead and make all our segments for this ring now.
So let's go ahead and cut these segments. Alright, we sanded up all these rings. Let's go ahead and throw them in the little clamp, glue them up, and we'll have our blank. Alright, we got this blank all glued up. Let's get it on the lathe and see what we can do with it. Alright, we got it mounted. Let's try to balance it out a little bit. Well, here it is. Bowl made out of recycled scrap wood. It's really nice. I mean, this floorboard was hard to work with, but it's really beautiful wood. I'll give you guys a close-up in a minute. I used some abrasive polish and wax on it, and I just think it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. Thank you.
Shut up and sit down.